Hey, welcome back to the channel. We're just going to try our Dune 160 litre per minute four-wheel drive air compressor. We did have the original King's one, but there were so many problems. You probably may have seen a video previously about the King's product, so I'll leave a link in the description below. But at the moment we've unboxed this little Dune four-wheel drive pump. Comes with its own carry bag. It says it does 150 psi, 160 litres per minute. It can actually run for 45 minutes duty cycle at 40 psi. Now I wouldn't even try that in the heat of the sun. Quick release hose and 2 metre cord, which is great. And it's got the thermal cut-off with the built-in cleanable air filter. So we're going to just do a bit of a trial. We've got a flat trailer tyre here. And I've just got a 12 volt battery there ready to connect it to. So let's just see how it all goes. Alright, we'll just cut this baby off here. Clamps. Got your spring clip. Pull it straight on the end of this. And this one here is not a clip-on, it's a wind-on. I guess you could upgrade it, unscrew it there. So yeah, just wind her onto the actual tyre valve itself. And we'll go from there. Doesn't look like it's got a gauge. And this is a cover, I lied. Hang on a sec. Which is great. If it is. Oh yeah. Didn't even realise I had that. There's your gauge there. Beauty. Just make sure it's off with the switch here. Yep. We'll undo this. Power. Make sure I put on the right terminals, of course. Negative first. There we go. Positive. Just do a quick test. Beautiful. Alright. So I'm going to bring that up to, I would think, about 34 psi just to see how it runs. So let's just see how it goes. Let's bring it up and have a go. That's it. That took about a minute and 20 maybe. I didn't actually time it, but look back on the counter. Then it's actually reading 50 psi, or just under. I'm impressed. It's not actually warmed up yet. So I guess in the heat of the sun you can give it that a break between cars. We're going to do a few 4-wheel drives. I should mention too here, which this looks like a reset switch. You can see that in the camera, which is great. So that's pretty much a quick rundown. That is excellent. It's a lot better than the previous one I had before. So I'll have a quick little review. Comes with a spare gauge. Oh, there's your clip on there. Wonderful. So you can swap it over to your clip on if you don't want to use the winder. But I think the wind's good. You don't have to hold on to it. You walk away. But I think at the speed that it does it, within that, from flats, that was flat. A 4-wheel drive tyre, I'd give it a couple of minutes, I think. But all in all, give the Dune a bit of a look because I think they're okay for the money. That was on special for $119 from $149 at the moment. So yeah, thanks for tuning in. See you next time.